Today we are discussing interview questions for ServiceNow Certified System Administrator. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Certified System Administrator is: explain the role of ServiceNow Query Business Rules. Your answer should be: ServiceNow Query Business Rules are used to add additional conditions to queries executed on a form. They allow our administrators to customize the conditions under which data is retrieved, filtered, or displayed on forms. Our next interview question is: what is ServiceNow's approach to service level management (SLM)? Your answer should be: ServiceNow service level management involves defining, tracking, and managing service level and performance targets. It ensures that services meet agreed upon standards, and SLA records are used to monitor and enforce service levels. Our next interview question is: how does ServiceNow handle import sets for data loading? Your answer should be: ServiceNow import sets are used for data loading by allowing users to import data from various sources into temporary tables. Data in import sets can be mapped and transformed before being loaded into target tables. Our next interview question is: what is the significance of ServiceNow import set transform maps? Your answer should be: import set transform maps in ServiceNow define the mapping and transformation of data from import sets to target tables. They allow users to specify how data fields in the import set correspond to fields in the destination tables. Our next interview question is: explain the purpose of ServiceNow CMDB health checks. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow-based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: ServiceNow CMDB health checks are used to assess the health and integrity of the configuration management database CMDB. They involve running predefined checks to identify and address issues related to data accuracy and completeness. Our next interview question is: what is ServiceNow REST API rate limiting and how does it work? Your answer should be: ServiceNow REST API rate limiting restricts the number of requests a user or application can make within a specified time frame. It helps prevent abuse and ensures fair uses of resources by imposing limits on API access. Our next interview question is: how does ServiceNow handle service level agreements (SLAs) in incident management? Your answer should be: ServiceNow Incident Management uses SLAs to define and measure the expected response and resolution times for incidents. SLAs are associated with incident records, and breach notifications are triggered if the defined service levels are not met. Our next interview question is: explain the purpose of ServiceNow domain separation in reporting. Your answer should be in the context of reporting. ServiceNow domain separation allows organizations to create separate reporting domains to isolate and secure data. It ensures that reports and dashboards are limited to the data within the designated reporting domain. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current, valid, and updated question tutorials in the description. All the best.